know me, and today I just want to share with you how I created my thumbnail using my iPhone. So for those who don't know, YouTube thumbnail is the first image that you see when someone uploads their video. So it's either gonna make or break the views on your videos, because that's either gonna invite the viewers to click on your video or not watch your video at all. Most successful YouTubers usually put a lot of time and effort in doing their thumbnail as well as doing or editing their video. Anyway, without further ado, let me go ahead and start with the tutorial. First, you have to download these apps. First is the Phonto app. Next one is the Picsart app. Next is the background eraser app. To start, let us first open the eraser app and take the photo that we wanted to erase the background to make it a PNG file. Once we've chosen the photo that we want, we can load that to eraser app. Let's tap the erase button at the bottom and select the target area. So let's undo that if we think that we've also deleted the pictures that we wanted to be left behind. So we can redo that and undo it if we have a mistake. So make sure that we only erase the background and not the actual picture. We can actually lessen the threshold if we think we're erasing too much. Let's click the restore button if we have deleted some parts of the picture unintentionally. Then let's click the erase button so we can clean some of the background. We can actually zoom in so we can see it better. The challenge here is your precision, because it's really hard to clean the edges of your pictures. We can lessen the width of our erasers so we can make it a little bit tiny so we can clean the edges better. After we're done, we can click done and click the arrow to save it. And then we can close it and go to Phonto app. Let's choose a plain image. I choose this faded green background, and the size is iPhone 6s because that's the one that I'm gonna use to upload this. In order to add an image, let's click the tiny line at the bottom and add image. So let's select the one that we made in eraser background. We can now resize it according to what we want on our thumbnail. If we're not satisfied with the background, we can change the theme and put a border on it. If you want a border, you can choose the theme with a default border. We can now tap and add our text. Click font so we can customize our text. I chose Clubland font. Click done. You can now move it according to what you want. Resize it. Tap on it and select style to change the color. I chose dark blue on this one. Let's click home to temporarily leave the Phonto app in order to get a PNG to be added to our thumbnail. On Google search, I type PopSockets logo PNG. If we can't find a PNG file for the logo that we want, we can customize our own. We can just get a plain logo and then let's make it a PNG on background eraser app. For example, I did save this PopSockets logo with a white background on my phone and then load it on the eraser app, deleted the background to make it a PNG file. Save it once again to our camera roll and then open Phonto app and add image and add the PNG file that we made. So we can now resize it according to what we want again. You can add another text again, but make sure it's readable on any device. I use the font ranchers and type giveaway. I change the font color to orange. I click on add text and select gift emoticons. Once you're satisfied with the placing and the look, you can save it to your camera roll. We can now close the Phonto app and go to Picsart app. This is how we're gonna outline the PNG picture that we made. Click the plus sign at the bottom and click edit and load the pictures that we made on Phonto. Let's select draw to outline our picture. Select color white for the white outline. Select the brush icon at the bottom to resize our outline. We can also undo it if we made a mistake. After we're done, we can click on apply and then click the white arrow on top to save it to your camera roll. Now load your YouTube channel on a desktop format. In order to do that, you can either go to Google Chrome and type your YouTube channel and select the desktop version. What I use here is the Puffin app. It's going to load your channel on a desktop mode. Select Video Manager. Then find the video that you want to customize the thumbnail. Click Edit. If you're approved for monetization, you will be able to see this button to customize your thumbnail. Click Change the Picture and select Photo Library and just select the thumbnail that we did earlier. Just select Save so you can save your new thumbnail, but what I did here is I cancel because I already have a nice thumbnail default here. So there, that's how you customize and upload your thumbnail.